How to list a digital download on Etsy. So hi guys, first off I'm gonna show you how to do your product image listing. So in here I'm in the Canva already. So this is where we have to create our product image listing. So now I'm just gonna go ahead to the custom size. So here the dimensions is in pixels, so 2015 pixels. So let's create a canvas for this one. So let's create new design. And then here we go, we have our canvas. So I'm just gonna upload my mock-up frame in here. So let's resize it to be able to see the product image. So the next thing I did is to upload my art print. So here I uploaded my art print. So this is the Daisy's art print. So as you can see, I'm just resizing it to the size of the frame so that it would look like it's in the frame. So there, I'm just adjusting it. So now we have a mock-up product image of the print in the frame. So here I'm just gonna make a disclaimer for the product, since a lot of people don't read the product listing, so it would be convenient to put at least a disclaimer of what the product is. So here I'm gonna type instant digital download. So I'm going to resize it and put it on the circle. This is just to remind them that this is a digital download of a print. So now that we're done with, so here it is, we're done with our product image listing. I'm just gonna download it into PNG. So now that is downloading. After downloading, we can proceed to go to the Etsy listing. So here, this is the Etsy listing. So I already uploaded my product image. So you can also add as well by clicking the add a photo. And there are also other options of different angles as well. So you can add more if you want to. So in my case, I'm just gonna upload that one. And the next one is the video. So in the video, the maximum file size is 100 MB, and it also requires to have a higher resolution video, about 1080p or higher. And the video should be at least 5 to 15-second video. So for the listing details, so this is my title, Daisy Art, Daisy Artwork, Room Decor, Daisy Art Print, or Painting. So that's my title. And for this listing, so I did make this product. It's a finished product, and then it is recently made, which is 2020 to 2023. So for the category, so I already typed digital prints since it belongs to the prints or digital prints. So you can also go to Pinterest as well. So let's go to Pinterest and find some tags that would fit to the product. So here I'm gonna search the Daisy art. So there are lots of tags in Pinterest which you can apply in the category in the Etsy listing. So here you can see that this belongs to the digital prints. For the primary colors, I choose green since, as you can see, it's all color green, and the secondary color is in white. And for the width and height, I choose the unit as inches, so its dimension is 9 by 12, and its orientation is vertical, and its framing is unframed since there is no frame, since it's an instant digital download. So for the home style, it is Art Deco. So for the occasion and holiday, it just depends if the products is relevant to certain occasion or holiday. For the room, I choose the bedroom, dorm, kids. So this is the part where the product belongs to or where it fits for a room decor. So that's the choices I selected. So for the subject, so the subject of my print is flowers. So there I selected flowers. So for the renewal options, you can choose either automatic or manual. So I chose automatic since it will just renew as it expires. So for the type, it is a digital since the digital is where the buyers will just download. So for the description, so this is my description. It's just concise and specific. So the next one is the tag. So I just copied this title. So and then after that, I just paste it in our tags. And as you can see, it already made into tags. So you can make at least 13 tags. So here I just made 9 tags. So we proceed to the inventory and pricing. So the price I made is $10. So for the quantity, I put 100. So for the last one is where you download or upload your digital files so that the buyers will be able to download once they purchase. So here I already uploaded mine, but to show you more about it, since I'm just gonna remove it and then I'm gonna show you how to insert it. So first thing you do is just upload the file and then browse the product image. So now it's uploaded. So just next thing we're gonna do is just check on our information listing if it's all okay. So now we can go to preview. So this is our product listing looks like in preview. So this is what your Etsy product listing is gonna look like. So if you're satisfied with it, you can just click save and continue. So that's about it, guys, on how to upload digital downloads in Etsy. So thank you for watching. I hope you learn from the video.